Friends, next speaker is Uday Bhagwat. He is from Thana Green City. He was president during 2008-2009. Next year, he is strategic planning coordinator. So I hand over mic to you.
अभी तक हमने एवेन्यूज ऑफ सर्विस कवर किए, कितने कवर किए कुछ बता सकते हो? 5 कवर किए आज सवेरे इस हॉल में। मेंबरशिप, सर्विस प्रोजेक्ट, इंटरनेशनल एंड पीआर। ओके, इनमें से एक्चुअली 2 ही कवर किए, मेंबरशिप और इंटरनेशनल। थर्ड वन इज दिस वन, fourth one is vocational service, and fifth one, which is very important, is your club administration. Okay, so these are the 5 avenues of service. This is very important, recently added into, earlier we had 4 avenues of service. This has recently been added. In the other halls, Satish Bhojane, Resham Thanekar are also presenting the same topic. So I am going to talk to you जैसे अपना श्रीजीत पुतन सर ने बताया कि वी आर ओनली गोइंग टू टच अपॉन द टॉपिक्स एंड वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक इन डिटेल इन पेट्स, एंड भरत भाई ने बताया कि स्कूबा डाइविंग करवाएंगे इन डीटीए. सो लेट्स टच अपॉन दिस. ये थोड़ा सा स्कैटर्ड है, सो इसको हम लोग थोड़ा सा ठीक करते हैं. एंड आई विल टॉक अबाउट इंटरैक्ट क्लब्स. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव इंटरैक्ट क्लब्स इन योर क्लब? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Very interesting thing which you must do. Youth brings lot of vibrance. हम लोग को कल सवेरे से बताया गया है कि your club has to be vibrant, sustainable, this, that. ये vibrancy कहाँ से आएगी? आपका नाम? रजनीकांत. और आपके बाजू में जो मैडम बैठी हुई है? Okay. Shweta, do you have intra club in your club? No. Please look up to this. This is something you can start. It is very easy, very simple. What you have to do is, like we have formed our own club, Rotary Club, you can form a club called Intra Club for the young people ages 12 to 18. Okay, so ये बच्चे लोग कहाँ मिलेंगे? We will get them in the schools. Okay. This has to be supported or sponsored by a Rotary Club. So आपको ये काम करना है, very simple है. What you have to do is, you have to find out, identify. अगर आपका कोई स्कूल में कोई काम चल रहा है, कोई प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है for last 3, 4, 5, 6 years, you can identify, speak to the principal there and try and conduct an interact club in that school. It is a self-governing body. You do not have to do much. You only have to have one teacher coordinator in the school for your intra club. जैसा हम लोग का क्लब होगा वैसे ही functioning होगा. There will be club, there will be president, there will be board of directors, which let them do and get the flavor as to what we do in Rotary. Next is, how do we start an intra club? ये जो मैंने बता दिया कि you have to find out where we can make an intra club. वहाँ पे एक मीटिंग अरेंज करवानी है आपको टीचर के साथ और बच्चों के साथ. यू हैव टू गिव देम अ फ्लेवर एज टू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू विद देम. वंस यू हैव डन दैट, रिक्रूट द मेंबर्स, क्लब ऑफिसर्स जैसे मैंने बताया. अडॉप्ट अ स्टैंडर्ड क्लब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड बायलॉज. राइट, अपने क्लब का बायलॉज आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, राइट? So similarly, there is a standard club constitution bylaws which you will get it on rotary.org. You have to just go there. On the rotary.org only, you have one form which you need to be filled up and send it to interact@rotary.org. इसको नोट कर लेना, interact@rotary.org. यहाँ पे ये फॉर्म अपलोड करोगे. I'll tell you, within 3 days, you will get certificate if your form and the whole other things are in proper order. So it's very simple. Next is Rotary Club. 12 to 15 हमने देख लिया. So this is 16 to 30. Now this age group has, I think, been increased to 35 if I'm not wrong, right? So Again, procedure is very same. You have to identify people who can come together. So कहाँ पे मिल सकते हैं? Can someone tell me? College. Where else? Corporate companies में हम लोग को 18 to 30 वाले बच्चे लोग मिलेंगे. Okay, wonderful. This is a new concept, new idea which I have got from you. If anyone can do this, I am giving you a sort of exercise which, if anyone can do this, please invite me for the installation. Thank you. So, ये भी फॉर्म करना एकदम सिंपल है. Beginning 1st July 2022, Rotary clubs will pay per capita dues. This is something new which you have to understand कि जैसे हम लोग Rotary को पेमेंट कर रहे हैं अपना membership fees, similarly those guys also will pay membership fee to Rotary directly because Rotaracts have been now officially recognized as Rotarians in the entire Rotary hierarchy. कैसे पेमेंट करेंगे, क्या पेमेंट करेंगे, हैज बीन रिटन हियर. 5 member $5 मतलब अराउंड 600 rupees तक आएगा. Earlier what used to happen while forming the Rotary Club, we need to pay something like $50 for application for formation. This has been discontinued from 1st July because we will be taking per capita or membership fee, Rotary will be taking from them. But before going on to RILA, I would like to talk something about Interact Club. Sorry, we have already talked about Interact Club. There is something called Early Act. Before Interact, that is 12 to 16 का जो group है, age group है, उसके पहले वाले का भी एक group है, उसको we call it as Early Act. They are the people. So we have 3 different things which you can undertake in your club: Early Act, Interact, and Rotaract. Once the Early Act becomes Interact, Interact becomes Rotaract, ये Rotaractors आगे चल के आपके क्लब को ऑटोमेटिकली मेंबरशिप कर देंगे. दे विल गिव यू हेल्प टू इंक्रीज योर मेंबरशिप. जो पहले हम लोग को सबको बताया कि मेंबर्स कहाँ से लाएंगे, कहाँ से लाएंगे, यू हैव अ चांस टू गेट योर मेंबर्स who have already been groomed up. सब रेडीमेड मटेरियल मिल जाएगा आपको. So now I will talk about RILA. How many of you have heard about RILA? It's not youth exchange. RILA. Can you please tell me? Huh. What was the consistency? What was the ingredients of that one-day event? Okay, so this event basically it is an event or which this is a kind of gathering where we conduct this in either for one day, overnight, or for a week long also, depending on what you want to do during that particular entire duration of the RILA. What is RILA? Is Rotary Youth Leadership Awards. So conduct this in such a manner that there has to be some competitiveness while you do that. And when you have a competitive edge happening there, मतलब कोई आप ड्राइंग कंपटीशन करवा सकते हो, स्पीच कंपटीशन करवा सकते हो, स्किट्स वगैरह करवा सकते हो उनमें से, बट दिस हैज टू बी समथिंग विच विल अपग्रेड देयर नॉलेज, विच विल अपस्किल देम. और ये अगर हम करेंगे तो आफ्टर यू हैव डन दैट देयर विल बी सम काइंड ऑफ एन अवार्ड विच विल बी गिवन टू देम सो दैट इट विल हेल्प देम to pursue that again and again. So that is the whole idea of Rotary Youth Leadership Award RILA. This is how it has to be done. More will be given to you in PETS and DTA. Early Act I have already talked about. RIPEN, this is something called Rotary Youth Program of Enrichment. I will be talking about this somewhere in the PETS and DTA. Model UN and MIPS. These are some wonderful programs which you can conduct in your clubs. This will give flavor to the children. It can be your own children who can participate in this. The Rotaracts can participate into this. This is like how the parliament happens, how the parliament works, how the United Nations takes measures or decisions in various topics. ये सब हम लोग उनको कवर करवाएंगे कि कैसे ये होगा, यूनाइटेड नेशन असेंबली कैसे होती है, पार्लियामेंट सेशन कैसे कंडक्ट होता है. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू teach them. There are some specialists. You can talk to the district team about this, and they will help you to arrange. This is called Model United Nations or MUN. Earlier it was MUNA and MIPS. Then there is one more thing called Rotary Youth Exchange. Someone mentioned about this. Earlier, there were two type of programs. One is short-term program and one is long-term program. Long-term program was for 1 year, where the boy or girl will go to the other country and will stay with the Rotarian. And some of them will come into our district and stay with the Rotarian, so they get some flavor of our culture, our understanding, and 1 minute only. So that is what they will get, the flavor when they stay with us. This is something which is very important and will give the boy or girl a fantastic phenomena, because they will have a foster parent in the other country where they can connect with whole lot of things. So this is youth exchange. As I told you, it is long term and short term. Long term is for 1 year, where they will be undertaking some kind of schooling. This will be normally after 10th standard, so 11th standard or 12th standard will be taken up there. And short term is for 4 to 6 weeks, where the persons will come here. They will we can arrange for some kind of camps or youth events for them, or we can arrange for some tours like heritage tours, vagara vagara. And that is how you can do that. The idea will be same. Our people will go there, and their children will go here, come here. And the one which has been newly added into the fold is Rotary's Young Adults Exchange Program. It is called New Generation Service Exchange, NGSC. So these are the youth programs which you can conduct in your year. Which is the Youth Service Month, by the way? There are designated months in Rotary year for everything. No? 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 Okay, अभी बाकी के सारे भी बोल दो. It is May. Youth month is May. So in May, you can conduct whole sort of these activities like Raila, Raipen, Mona, and MIPS, etc. Or you can try and find out the district's programs about exchange and keep an eye. This is wonderful thing which you can do. And there will be a new energy, new thing which will come into your club, and a chance to get an automatic membership from a young age. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Uday, for enlightening us regarding youth service. Now I request Gul to please hand over a small memento to Uday.
It's our pleasure. President, let's hope you all got what you said about this thing. Any question you have, you can ask. अभी है या नहीं रहेगा कि खाना आने की जल्दी है.
So friends, just 1 minute between our lunch and so I request our time management. We have maintained time very nicely.